What's up guys, it's Jin Yenjai back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new PC parts. So today I have with me the AMD Ryzen 5 3600. It's a 6-core 12-thread CPU, and it's going to be a really big step up from my old Ryzen 5 1600X that I've had the past 3 years roughly. This right here, I have the MSI B450 A-Pro Max. It's going to be an ATX motherboard. That also is going to be another step up from my micro ATX motherboard, and it's going to be a good fit, especially since I have a bigger graphics card. And then this for me was actually my most exciting upgrade, and it's going to be the NZXT H510 compact mid-tower ATX case. And I really like it because it has a tempered glass side. My old case, I'm not sure if you guys noticed, had a solid side, so you can't see inside the PC, and it's much more open, so I'm going to be able to actually fit my graphics card in the way it's supposed to. It also comes, you see right here, with USB 3.1 Type A and a USB 3.1 Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector, and it also has a tempered glass side like I mentioned before. So I'm going to be opening up my CPU first. Cut it open. And in here, I assume this is gonna be the Razer cooler. Yep, CPU cooler, the manual, the sticker, and the CPU itself. I'm not gonna take it out as of right now. I'm gonna put this off to the side. And then we have my motherboard. You have the motherboard wrapped up in the anti-static wrapping. I think I'm just actually gonna leave it right here for right now until I actually bring down my PC to install it. And then case. And this comes, you know, nicely packaged with styrofoam to protect the sides. And then you have the case itself. Obviously it's upside down since I unboxed it weird. But here is the NZXT H510. It should come with 2 fans, one up top and then one in the end. And you know, you can see it. It's a nice case, it has the tempered glass. It's very clean, modern. And I'm going to be installing all my parts in here. I would record it, but I don't know if I have that much memory space and that much battery length inside my camera. So I'm probably just going to shoot a time lapse of me completing the build.